Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super useful, how to redeem your HDFC Bank credit card reward points in just a few simple steps. Whether you're looking to get vouchers, discounts, or even cashback, I've got you covered. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Firstly, open up your browser and search for HDFC Bank login. Click on the first link. You will be redirected to the login page of HDFC Bank. Click on Net Banking Login, then enter your customer ID and password to log in into your bank account.
They wanna sing my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't playing no games, I just do that.
From the login page, click on the card section, then select Redeem Rewards Points.
Track after track, I work on the shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories.
Then select the box and press Continue.
Instead of something you can forget, I'm living up every breath. I'd rather leave them.
Then you will redirected to another page of rewards point section. From there you can choose the way you want to redeem your reward points, like product and vouchers, Insta vouchers, cash, or air miles. These are the options are available right now. But in my case, I will redeem the points into cash. You can see I have 1462 points, which is equal to the 292 rupees. I will click the Proceed button, then new page will be open, ready to redeem your cash. Tick the box and proceed further. Click on the Redeem Now button to proceed further the process. Pop-up ask for confirmation, click on Confirm button. And here we go, your order get processing within 48 hours. You will receive the cash in your credit card. Thanks for watching the videos, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.